Hi students, in this video you will be proving projection of a particle performing uniform circular motion on any diameter is simple harmonic. Or the same question can be asked in the exam as derive expression for displacement, velocity and acceleration of a particle execute simple harmonic motion. So to solve this question or to derive this question, we have to draw this figure like this. Consider a particle P is moving on a circle of radius small r with constant angular velocity omega, which is shown in this figure. If the particle is rotating along circumference of the circle, then the projection of the particle P on this diameter will execute simple harmonic motion along the path O, Y dash O. Thus, projection A executes to and fro motion along y axis about the mean position. Let at time t equal to 0, the particle is at point M. After time t second, let the particle is at point P such that angle POM is equal to omega t. Now let us find first displacement, then velocity, then acceleration. So if we derive this, then ultimately we will be proving this part. To derive displacement of the particle, we have to consider figure. From the figure, consider triangle OPA. Consider triangle OPA. So here OPA, sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Sin, in figure theta is omega t, opposite is y, and hypotenuse is r. Therefore, y by r is equal to sin omega t, or y equal to r sin omega t, where y represent displacement. Therefore, this equation represents displacement of the particle in simple harmonic motion. Now we have to find velocity. To find velocity, we have to differentiate this equation. So if we differentiate this equation, we will get. So differentiating above equation. So differentiate. So differentiation of y is dy by dt is equal to d by dt of r sin omega t. So dy by dt is nothing but velocity. Displacement by time is nothing but velocity v. Here r is constant, so I am writing here before the differentiation, and d by dt of sin omega t. So v is equal to r d by dt of sin omega t is omega cos omega t. So this represents velocity of a particle in simple harmonic motion. Now we have to find acceleration of the particle. To find acceleration of the particle, we have to differentiate this equation v equal to r omega cos omega t. So differentiation of v, that means dv by dt is equal to d by dt of this complete value r omega cos omega t, r omega cos omega t. Velocity by time is nothing but acceleration a. So here r omega is constant, I am writing before differentiation, that is d by dt cos omega t as it is in the brackets. So a is equal to r omega, d by dt of cos omega t is minus omega sin omega t. So r equal to plus into minus minus r omega into omega, omega square sin omega t. But here r into sin omega t is nothing but y. Therefore, a is equal to minus omega square y. This represents expression for acceleration of a particle executing simple harmonic motion. Here, a is proportional to minus y. So, acceleration is proportional to displacement, and acceleration is directed towards the mean position. From that minus we can get. So, this proves that particle executing uniform circular motion, its projection is simple harmonic motion.